Like a Shirley, Beco do Violeiro. Like a Shirley, Violeiro alley. Violeiro, home of the guitar makers, the music breakers. Violeiro, get your guitar here, makes you wanna go get a beer. Shops of guitar markers in old Macau. Guitar notes wafting into the air, an experience we can all share. Violeiro, home of the guitar makers, the music breakers. Violeiro, get your guitar here, makes you wanna go get a beer. In a little alley, you got the guitar makers, making, playing. Violeiro, home of the guitar makers, the music breakers. Violeiro, get your guitar here, makes you wanna go get a beer. In a little alley, you got the guitar makers, making, playing. Violeiro, home of the guitar makers, the music breakers. Violeiro, get your guitar here, makes you wanna go get a beer.
Okay, this little street, the Violeiro, is like guitar maker street. So the little alley of guitar makers. So historically it has a really interesting name. It also could mean like guitar players, but I think based on the history, they usually would name streets after what they were doing in that particular street. So I believe this one is Violeiro, guitar maker street. It's also kind of cool. You can see that window right there of somebody doing hairdressing. So we're going to explore this, so stay tuned for that.
Pretty out of tune. I would need to go to a guitar maker to like make sure this is all properly. But anyways, this street is basically like historically it's where some guitar makers, and I think there might have been 3 that were there historically. I don't know. Gonna find out more about it but a lot of it's kind of interesting. So some of these streets will have names like that where they're basically reflecting what was there originally, you know, many hundred years ago, or whenever the street was you know, being named. So there was probably it was named after a guitar maker, and I found out a little bit that there was actually 3 stores, but I don't know that for sure. I can't verify it with any facts. You know, I'm just trying to learn, and probably the next time I go there, I'll have more information about it. So anyways, that's what the street sign is all about. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to get into this one with a walk and talk. So I'm going to just kind of walk down with my camera and kind of give you an idea of the visual layout of what the street looks like, a little slice of Macau. And I'll tell you a lot more about it in the video itself. Okay, so Guitar Maker's Lane.
Okay, so this is Violeiro. Before we go down Violeiro, the street that we're on is called Botelho. And this goes up to one of the most oldest points of Macau is right here, the St. Anthony's Church. And nearby is Camoys Park. This is to the left of there. And this little space that we're going to be going down, Violeiro, is like Guitar Maker Street or Guitar Player Street. So we're going to walk down and explore it. see what it's all about. And it looks pretty small. I have been in here before, but it was a long time ago. So I kind of remember that it was very small. So we're gonna go down this way first. It's interesting that there's a big wall right here. So this wall, you can see it here, but then you can also see up there just this kind of straight up thing. It goes all the way up there, right? It might be drowned out a little bit in the sun. So Violeiro, did I say that right? Okay, so we're gonna go this way. And it's hard to imagine, I think the street has changed so much from whenever it was Guitar Maker Street. But these orange buildings right here, they could have been here at that time. They could have been little shops of guitar players. Huh. So that started up there, and then it looks like it goes around the corner like this. Look up these little stairs too, like that. So let's see if this is the same street or not. No, it doesn't say. Oh, yeah, it does. That could do Violeiro. Then we come out into this little alley in here. I think this is the Bolsa alley, which is like named after wood. So we're just gonna continue down. There's a coffee shop right there. So let me just explore this one a little bit as well, since we... Oh, so you could keep on walking into this. So there's a temple right here. I think that's Tutigong and Tudipo. The two earth goddesses. And this is a different street called Bolsa. So we started out in Violeiro. We came into Bolsa. And now we're going to go down this other little street. And you can see all kinds of businesses, activities. So it's not like they're completely residential. They're actually like, huh, there used to be a shrine right here, I think. Okay, so this one comes out. So we've actually kind of explored like 3 different places. Violeiro, Bolsa, and we're gonna walk back past all of them as well. So yeah, Macau is kind of an endless array of interesting stuff everywhere. So we had kind of a guitar maker street, and then we had Bolsa, which is like driftwood or like floating, like some kind of, like a light kind of wood. There's a kitchen right here. And then this street that we're on, Terefeiro, I'm not sure the name of that one. But this whole street would be called Terefeiro all the way down. And then this one is Botelho, the one that we're on Terefeiro, and then we're gonna walk up towards St. Anthony's. We have Colono Street right there. So there's a handful of them. Handful of different streets. It's kind of a historic part of Macau. So you'd see a lot of different names. So there's the Balsa one that had the shrine all the way to the end. That one up there, St. Anthony's, the church, is the oldest church in Macau. So you can see that right there. And then we're gonna end our video right here. The barbershop right there. And this is back to Violeiro. So another little slice of Macau for you.